first, the colors of the painting reminded me of a hamburger. Red, orange, yellow, green, and brown. All layered like lettuce, cheese, tomatoes in the bun. Welcome back to the channel. Sometimes you don't need a plan. Just trust the process and let the paint take the lead. I poured the colors in straight lines across the canvas and used the cone tool to create texture and rhythm. If you ever doubted your art, just remember, it doesn't have to make sense to be abstract. Every pour tells a story. Then I tilted the canvas slowly, and just like that, the hamburger vanished and something retro was born. But here's the thing about fluid art. It transforms right before your eyes. The flow, the lines, the movement, it started to feel like a vintage poster or a groovy 70s fabric. If you're loving this creative journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join me for more colorful surprises each week. And as always, remember, stay creative and keep painting.